Following a proper skincare routine is the first step towards achieving a gorgeous and youthful skin. If you're conscious about the way you treat your skin every single day and would like to apply different products for better outcomes, then this is quite easy to assume that you follow a complete nighttime skincare routine on your own. Nighttime skincare is essential because the products you apply at that time are better absorbed by your skin while you sleep. Most importantly, following a proper skincare routine at night helps get rid of makeup as well as pollution, dirt, and oil, so you get to wake up with a fresh feeling in the morning. In our previous video about the 5-step morning skincare routine, we showed you how you can get a gorgeous skin by following 5 easy steps properly. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a 5-step nighttime skincare routine with product recommendations for your convenience. So now let's jump right into the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
A good nighttime skincare routine should start with the very first step, which is a double cleaning. It refers to the cleaning of your skin with an oil-based cleanser used to remove makeup, pollutants, and sunscreen, while then using a water-based cleanser for a regular cleaning session to help remove dirt and hydrate as well as exfoliate your skin. Double cleansing is important to make sure that your skin is free from makeup and debris before you apply other skincare products on your skin. As it goes, this step varies according to skin type, so you need to find the perfect products for your skin before trying out anything random. This cleansing method also helps in better penetration of your skincare products that are applied afterward. As per our recommendation, the Banila Co. Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original is a cult favorite which you can pair up with the Banila Co. Clean It Zero Foam Cleanser. If you have oily skin, you can try the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse and use the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel afterward. Another great product is the OleHenriksen Wonder Feel Double Cleanser, which is a great option for you if you have dry skin. After cleansing, now it's time to prep your skin for the upcoming skincare steps, and a toner is the right thing for ensuring that goodness. Toners are important to use as it removes the last sign of dirt and impurities from off your face. It also helps to balance the pH level of your skin, and it's an essential product for those who have oily skin. The benefits of a good toner are numerous. It not only helps to shrink your pores, but also refreshes your skin while providing protection. It is important to choose a toner for your skin based on your skin type. If you have skipped this skincare item previously, it's time to rethink and add this to your routine for achieving a hydrated and plump skin. If you have oily or combination skin, then the Paula's Choice Skin Balancing Pore Reducing Toner is our recommended product for you. On the other hand, the Biora Witch Hazel Pore Clarifying Toner is a great option if you're suffering from acne problems. Another great product is the Thayers Alcohol-Free Rose Petal Witch Hazel Toner with Aloe Vera formula, which is highly appreciated by users for its beneficial outcomes. The benefits of serums are known to everyone. They contain active ingredients and deliver high concentrations of those into your skin. Serums are great for achieving targeted results, as they can penetrate deep into the skin and take care of aging signs, improve skin texture, and treat redness and pigmentation. If you didn't know this before, it's definitely time to inform you that a serum you apply at night needs to be different from your daytime serum. Night serums are different because they help to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. It is better to use retinol and serums with the benefits of acid during this time, as they help to repair your skin while resting and make your skin condition even better. And we absolutely recommend the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Serum, which promises to work wonders while you sleep. The Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM Night Serum is another great product which you can choose for your skin. And then another great option is the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic Plus Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Overnight Serum, which will target visible signs of aging and also help to make your skin firm. You can never get enough of night creams, as they are beneficial in so many ways. A proper night cream which is suitable for your skin will take care of aging signs and give you a youthful skin in no time. Besides, it keeps your skin moisturized and provides hydration while you take rest after a long, busy day. Before you choose a night cream, it's important to ensure that the product contains all the beneficial ingredients necessary for your skin. And as it goes, the products you apply at night are essential for repairing and healing your skin. If you're suffering from different types of skin issues, it's quite important to keep your facial skin hydrated throughout the night. And a night cream will go a long way to ensure that goodness with its rich and thick formula. When it comes to our recommendation, the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is highly appreciated by us, and it also has gained the trust of many users around the world. The OleRegenerist Night Recovery Cream is another great night cream which will provide your skin with intense hydration while you sleep. Besides that, the Boots No. 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream might also be a great option for your skin. As much as you focus on your facial skin for keeping its youthful and healthy appearance, it's also important to take care of your lips because dry and chapped lips will only add to your worries. Skincare experts and bloggers always recommend using a good lip balm or mask to keep your lips hydrated. Not only that, the hydration provided by lip balms is basically all your lips have been searching for an eternity. Lip balms can be applied at night for achieving perfectly moisturized lips when you wake up in the morning. They take care of your chapped lips, remove the dryness, and nourish perfectly, completing your nighttime skin routine with an exclusive feeling. All that being said, it's now time to take a look at our product recommendations. The Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm is our top recommendation as it has earned a massive amount of positive feedbacks from users on Amazon. You can also try the Organic Beeswax Lip Balms by Sky Organics, which comes in different flavors. Another recommended product is the Drunk Elephant Lip Balm, which will nourish your lip with its great formula. So, that was all about our 5-step nighttime skin routine for your precious facial skin. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.